question. See this question, sir. Again a very beautiful question. First let us understand. First let us read the question. Which digit is missing in the average of the numbers 9, 99, 999? The last number is having 9 written 9 times. That means there is a series 9, 99, 999, 4 nines, like that. The last number is actually having 9 nines, right? 9 nines. Now I want to find the average of this series. When I find the average of this series, I will get some value. In that particular value, some digit is missing. Which digit is missing is what they are asking. Which digit is missing in the average of the numbers 9, 99, 999? Last number is having 9 written 99 times. Sorry, 9 written 9 times. Now see here, sir. Average is sum of the quantities 9 plus 99 plus 999. The last number is having 9 written 9 times, right? 9 written 9 times divided by number of quantities. How many terms are there? There are totally 9 terms. Sir, how did you identify that there are 9 terms in this series? It's very easy, sir. Can I say that if it is the first term, it will be having only 1 9. Second term, 2 nines. Third term, 3 nines. If there are 9 nines, it should be the 9th term, right? It should be the 9th term. Now, if I continue further, if I take 9 common factor in the numerator, it is 1 plus 11 plus. I write further. So, you are left with 1 plus 11. If you observe this pattern little bit, can I say that this is terms 11, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, sum of answer for this question is 0. If I add the first two terms, 1 plus 11 is 12. 12 is nothing but 1, 2. First 3 terms, sum is 123. It is 1, 2, 3. Sum of first 2 terms is 1, 2. Sum of first 3 terms is 1, 2, 3. Sum of first 4 terms is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum of first 9 terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is my average. Which digit is missing? 0 is missing. Kindly comment, sir, if it is clear. Till now we have solved 2 questions in averages. Next question. Now if you observe carefully, first type of questions what we are discussing is average definition is sum of the quantities by number of quantities. First initially we will discuss these varieties of questions. We will discuss these varieties of questions initially. And after this we will move on to different varieties of questions which does not require this notation, but looking into a question we can be able to solve within 10 seconds. Just keep on listening to my class. You should have complete attention in today's class, which is termed as very important class. Now please see this third question. Question is the marks obtained by a student in mathematics, English and biology are respectively 94 out of 100, 81 out of 150, 175 out of 200. Find this average score in percentage. Now, mathematics is out of 100 it is 94. English is out of 150 it is 81. And biology is out of 200 it is 175. Now I have seen so many students doing this kind of methodology and wasting time. They have denominators as 100, 150 and 200. They will try to take the LCM and they will try to make the common denominator. Nothing, all these things you can do it, but it does not require, it is not required, sir. You can just do it very easily and get the answer very fast. Average is sum of the quantities by number of quantities. Number of quantities is nothing but total. 100 plus 150 plus 200. It is nothing but equal to 500, right? Sorry. It is 350, 450. So, total is nothing but 450. Sum of 5 by 45. 5 into 7 is 35. 5 into 9 is 45. Average is 7 by 9. Express in terms of percentage. I taught you in my percentages and DI class. If the denominator is 9, answer should be a multiple of 11. 11 into numerator. 11 into 7 is 77. Write down twice. Please do not forget any concept whatever I have taught in my previous classes. All the shortcut techniques whatever I have taught, it might be helpful in some or the other cases. Have patience and listen to all my classes, sir. That is the only thing I expect you to. do it for me to take or for ANC to take you people to the next level altogether, right? Denominator is 9. Answer should be a multiple of 11. 11 into 7, it is 77. Write down twice. That should be the percentage equivalent of 7 by 9. These are all the techniques we have already discussed in our percentage class. Divya, it is not 0 terms are missing, ma. It is 0 is the digit that is missing. Please read the question, Divya. Which digit is missing? Suppose, Divya, suppose for example, the digits are like this. Which are the digits? 0 to 9 are the digits. Suppose I will give you a number, Divya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. This is the number. Which digits are missing in this number? 6, 7, 8, 9 are missing. That is what I say. 6, 7, 8, 9 are missing. What is the answer which I got here? Average what I got is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the average what I got. In this particular number, which digit is missing? 0 is missing. I am not telling that 0 terms are missing. 0 is a single digit which is missing in that average. That is the meaning of it. I hope this question is also very clear. I am repeating, sir. We are going from basic level. These are all very, very basic level questions. Next question. One time I am explaining for Saurabh. Denominator is 9, Saurabh. Answer should be a multiple of 11. 11 into numerator. 11 into 7 is 77. Write down twice. What should be the answer for 4 by 9, Saurabh? Denominator is 9. Answer should be a multiple of 11. 11 into numerator. 11 into 4 is 44. Write down twice. Same is the case, Saurabh, if the denominator is 11. Suppose for example I have 8 by 11. If the denominator is 11, answer is a multiple of 9. 9 into 8, it is 72. Write down twice. What should be the value for 3 by 11, Saurabh? Denominator is 11, answer is a multiple of 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Write down twice. Another question. Now see this question. Again a very good question, but not too much difficult because we are still under basic level question. See here. The average monthly expenditure of a family was 2,800 for the first 3 months, 3,150 for the next 3 months, and 6,800 for the next 3 months. Find the average income of the family for the 9 months if they save rupees 650 per month. Now, first of all, you should know that income is nothing but equal to expenditure plus savings. This is something I am sure that you know it. Whatever the salary which I am getting as income, in that income I will split it as few things I will spend it on something and few more money I will save it. Income is expenditure plus savings. This is first statement is given in terms of expenditure. Second statement is asked in terms of average income. And the last statement is if they save 650 per month. Can I say that average income is what they are asking? Average income is nothing but equal to expenditure plus savings in terms of average. That means average is sum of the quantities. First 3 months it is 2,800. So it is 2,800 into 3. But that 2,800 is expenditure. Savings every month is 650. It is given in the question. So it is 2,800 plus 650. This entire thing is multiplied for 3 months. Similarly, next 3 months is 3,150. 3,150 is the expenditure. Savings again is 650. This also is happening for next 3 months. And the last 3 months, it is 6,800. 6,800 is the expenditure plus savings is 650. This is for next 3 months. Whole thing divided by average is sum of the quantities is what we wrote. Divided by number of quantities, it is nothing but equal to 9. Right? Number of quantities is 9. 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here also. If I take the 3 common outside, 3 cancels with this 9 and you are left outside with 1 by 3. Right? 1 by 3. 2,800 plus 650. It is 3,450 plus 3,150 plus 650. It is 3,800 plus 6,800 plus 650. It is 7,450. Whole thing divided by 3. Now, if I add this further, 3,450 plus 7,450. Forget about 450. 3000 plus 3000 is 6000. 6000 plus 7000 is 13,000. 450 plus 450 is 900. 13,900 followed by addition with 800. 14,700 divided by 3. Now, a smart student who is listening to my class will not calculate the exact value of 14,700 divided by 3, but rather what he or she will do is check whether this is divisible by 3 or not. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. That means my answer should be a whole number. There is only one whole number in the given option. Answer is 4,900. You don't even have to calculate with a little bit of common sense. What if there is another whole number which is given in the question? Calculate it anyway. It's not a too much difficult calculation. Now, please listen carefully, sir. Suppose, for example, I will take a series 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now, what is the average of this series? This is in arithmetic progression. Average is nothing but the middle value 5. Right? Average is nothing but the middle value 5. Now, listen carefully, sir. Everyone, please listen carefully. My original series is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. My original average is 5. Again, I am repeating. My original series is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. My original average is 5. Now, what I will do is, I will increase each number in this given series by some value. For example, I am increasing by 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Every number I will increase by 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Right? 9 plus 2 is 11. Now, if I increase each number by 2, I will get a new series. What is the average of this new series? Average, this is again in arithmetic progression. Average is nothing but the middle value 7. Now, can I say that? Can I say like this, sir? Listen carefully. My original series is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. My original average is 5. I increased each number in the original series by 2. If each number in the original series is increased by 2, my average will also increase by 2. What is 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 is 7. That is what I got here also. Now, this is increasing. Suppose, for example, let me take another series. Suppose, let me take the same series for your information. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Original series is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Original average is 5. I will multiply each number by 3, for example. 1 into 3. 3 into 3. 5 into 3. 7 into 3. And then 9 into 3 is 27. I will multiply each number by 3, and if I check the average, this also is in arithmetic progression. It is the middle value. Middle value is 15. Again, listen to my statement very, very carefully, sir. My original series is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. My original average is 5. If each number in the given series is multiplied by 3, if each number is multiplied by 3, my average will also multiply by 3. 5 into 3 is 15. That is what I got here also. That means in simple language, if each number in any given series, it may or may not be in arithmetic progression. I took an example where a series is in arithmetic progression. You can take some other example where a series is not in arithmetic progression. But only thing is arrange it in ascending or descending order. If each number in the given series is increased or decreased or multiplied by some constant k, my average also increases or decreases or multiplies by the same constant k, right? By the same constant k. I believe that you are very, very clear with this particular concept. Each number in the given series is increased or decreased or multiplied by some constant k, average also increases or decreases or multiplies by the same constant k respectively. This is the concept. Whatever we have learnt right now is concept. You can take any series, whether it is in arithmetic progression, whether it is not in arithmetic progression, it will give you the answer, right? Now, whatever the concept we learnt, let us try to solve one or two questions based out of this concept. Easy questions only, but we will use the concept rather than using textbook methodologies of x and y variables. Now listen to the problem, sir. See this problem. Very easy, one step looking into the question only, you can tell the answer very fast. The average age of a family of 4 members was 20 years. There are 4 members in a family. The average age is given as 20 years. What is their new average age after 5 years? That means there are 4 members in my family. Suppose for example 4 members are I, my wife and my father and mother. We are the 4 members in this family, for example. Average age is 20 years. What is the new average age after 5 years? After 5 years, not only I will increase by 5 years, my wife will also grow by 5 years, my father also will grow by 5 years, my mother also will grow by 5 years. If each person's age is increased by 5 years, my average will also increase by 5 years. Earlier it was 20, increased by 5. My final new average becomes how much? 25 years. Let us not use the textbook methodology saying that let the initial average be 20 and then use some variable x and other things and waste your time. Let us not use that method. Very easy way of understanding. All the people's age is increased by 5. Average will also increase by 5. It is 25 years. Now, this is one of the question which we can solve by using that concept. Another question what we can solve. See this question, sir. This question is the average of 10 numbers is 7. That means there are 10 numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Like that there are 10 numbers. Average is 7. I don't mind whether these 10 numbers are in arithmetic progression or not in arithmetic progression. Average is 7. If each number is multiplied by 12, then find the average of new set of numbers. Now, I don't even know the numbers. I believe that for the people who commented, this example will act as a very classic question. I don't even know which are those numbers. I only know that average is 7. That means I will multiply each number by 12. I will multiply each number by 12 without knowing that concept whatever we learnt 5 minutes before. How can you tell that if each number in the given series is multiplied by 12, my average also will multiply by 12? Answer is 7 into 12, which is 84. This is exactly the reason I request your patience. See here, sir. This is a very beautiful question. Listen carefully, sir. Again, wherever there is a possibility of discussing multiple methods, I will discuss multiple methods. Listen carefully, sir. The average of first 100 natural numbers is x. That means first 100 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 till 100. The average is given as x, right? Average is given as x, and that of first 110 natural numbers is x plus k. Average of first 110 natural numbers, average of first 110 natural numbers, it is given as x plus k. Find the value of k. Find k value is the question. Listen carefully, sir. Two methods I will discuss. Method 1, method 2. Method 1, 2 to 3 steps, you will get the answer. Method 2, looking into the problem, directly you will get the answer. Now see here. Method 1. What is x? X is nothing but average of first 100 natural numbers. It is in arithmetic progression. First term plus last term by 2. 1 plus 100 by 2. I will keep it as it is. What is x plus k? X plus k is nothing but first 110 natural numbers average. First term plus last term by 2. 1 plus 1110 by 2, 110 by 2. So it can also be written as 1 plus 100 plus 10 by 2. Now why did I write it like this? The reason why I wrote it like this is 1 plus 100 by 2. It is named as x in this question, plus 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. X plus k. X plus k is equal to x plus 5. In place of k you have a number called as 5. K value is what they are asking. Answer for this question is 5. Right answer for this question is 5. Now listen carefully, sir. Answer for this question is 5. This is the method which I will implement based on a definition called average in arithmetic progression is first term plus last term by 2. Using that definition, I am solving this particular problem. Now see here, I will solve the same question by using method 2. Listen carefully, sir. I will solve the same question. This same question I will solve it by using method 2. Listen carefully, sir. Probably if you want, I will draft the question once again. The question is average of 1, 2, 3 till 100. It is x. Average of 1, 2, 3 till 110. 1, 2, 3 till 110. It is x plus k. What is the value of k is your question. Now see here, method 2. Before solving the actual question, let me take a small example for you to understand. Suppose for example, average of 1, 2, 3. What is the average? It is the middle value 2, right? It is the middle value 2. Now original series is having how many terms? Original series is having 3 terms. Original average is 2. I will increase the original series by one more term. It becomes average of 1, 2, 3, 4. It is nothing but middle value 2.5 or first term plus last term by 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Now original series is having 3 terms. I increased by one term. I got the average 2.5. I will increase this series by another term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the average? Middle value is 3. Middle value is 3. Now listen carefully, sir. Can I say like this? Everyone please pay complete attention. Can I say like this? Original series is having 3 terms. My original average is 2. I increased this original series by one term. If I increase by one term, 2.5 can be written as original average 2 plus 0.5. 0.5 is 1 by 2. It is 1 into 1 by 2. Why 1 into 1 by 2? Because this 1 is nothing but increased by one term. Now original series is having 2 terms. I increased by, original series is having 3 terms. I increased by 2 more extra terms. Average I got it as 3. It is 2 plus, how many terms I increased? 2 terms. 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2. This is nothing but 3. I'll repeat again, sir. Can I say that original series is having 3 terms. Original average is 2. If I increase by one more term, it is 1 into 1 by 2. If I increase by 2 more terms, it is 2 into 1 by 2. If I increase by 3 more terms, it is 3 into 1 by 2. If I increase by n more terms, it is n into 1 by 2, right? N into 1 by 2. Now directly you can tell the answer for the original question. Now original series is having how many terms? It is having 100 terms. New series is having how many terms? It is having 110 terms. That means it is increased by how many terms? It is increased by 10 terms. It is n into 1 by 2. It is 10 into 1 by 2. 10 into 1 by 2 is 5, and that 5 is nothing but the value of k. I believe that with this beautiful example you are able to tell the answer for this question very very fast, and that too probably without using pen. Now listen carefully, sir. I am not satisfied with this example. I will take another question for your better understanding. Everyone observe carefully. Average of 2468. Average of 2468 till 200, it is x. Let us use method 2 rather than using method 1. Average of 2468 till 240, it is x plus k. Find the value of k, right? Find the value of k. Now listen carefully, sir. Actually, truly speaking, I wrote it as n into 1 by 2, but actually it is n into d by 2. Actually it is n into d by 2, where d is nothing but common difference between the terms in arithmetic progression. Common difference in this example is 1 and 2 difference is 1, 2 and 3 difference is 1. Therefore I wrote it as n into 1 by 2. D actually represents common difference. If I go for my next question, same logic. 2468 etc. till 200. Original series, it is written till 200. New series is written till 240. Now my students might make a mistake here saying that 40 terms are increased. It is not 40 terms which are increased. It is only 20 terms which are increased. Why? Because After first number 2, the second number is not 3, the second number is 4. And the third number is not 5, it is 6. That means there is a jump of 2 units every time. After 200, it is not 201, it is 202. Next is 204, next is 206. That means if it is written till 240, from 200 to 240 with a jump of 2 units, 20 terms are added, 20 extra terms are added. So it is n into 20 into d by 2. D is nothing but common difference 2. N into 2 by 2. Answer for this question is K value is 20. This is how beautiful a conceptual learning can make you, sir. It is 20. Tell me the answer for this question, sir. I am damn sure after listening to Anil Nair classes, YouTube channel classes, your way of problem solving in aptitude will grow at least minimum 10x times with what you were earlier. This is with practice is what I am saying. 3, 6, 9, 12 till 180 average is x. 3, 6, 9, 12 till 210 average is x plus k. Find the value of k. What should be the answer, sir? Same logic, no change in the approach. 180 terms is becoming 210. That means you might think that there is a 30 terms which are added, but every time there is a jump of 3 units. That means 30 divided by 3. That means 10 extra terms are added into d by 2. D is common difference 3. 3 by 2 it is, not 3 by 3, it is 3 by 2. 30 divided by 2. K value is 15. Beautifully you can solve this varieties of questions without using method 1 which we implemented in our first question.